Welcome guys, it's Vincent David on your faces again today. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Yeah, thank you for coming back, thank you for always watching, thank you for staying tuned. And as usual, I have lots of amazing content to share with you today. You don't even know what I have in stock for you. Like, it's amazing. Alright guys, so today we'll be sharing turning 100K to 550,000 naira in 2 short weeks. Selling with Nigerian e-commerce. It's nothing like you've ever seen before. It's practical, it's playbook, it's straight to the point, no long stories. Plug and play. Oh yeah, let's go to my slides. Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my slide today on today's training. So turning 100K to 550K. All right, so in this training, we're going to be doing a lot of number game. Okay, we're going to be doing a lot of numbers game. All right, so let's go straight to the point on this training. Okay, so yeah, let's go. The 4 things you can do with 100,000 naira. So people don't know what they can do with 100,000 naira. So we'll be starting with that 4 things you can actually do with 100,000 naira today. All right. So in e-commerce, now this absolutely, like I said, is absolutely a game of numbers. So we are going to be playing around with numbers a lot in this video. Okay. So let's go. At the end of this video, I'll also be giving you 3 product ideas to try immediately with this strategy with this strategy, and it's called bootstrapping. So one thing you need to know, like I've always said in my video, in e-commerce you need to have money to play the game well. You understand? If you are new to this channel, you should know you need to have money to play the game well. So this is a challenge for those that don't have money. So if you don't have money, well, what will you do? Shebi, you will give up. You will not give up now. We don't do that here. We don't used to give up in this channel. Because to this channel, we don't give up here. We do the work and collect the money. Papa, you understand? All right, let's go. Okay, so it's called bootstrapping. Small money, but you want to make big results. 2 weeks, honestly. We're not joking. So 4 things you can do with 100,000 naira. First one is to find a unique item. All right. Now refer to my video to know how to do this. Now I think the video I'm talking about here is what to sell in 2020. So you need to find a unique item. Okay. So the second one is buy 50 pieces. Of course, pardon my typos. Buy 50 pieces of that item. 50 pieces worth 50,000 naira. Now, the third strategy is what we call the lab strategy. The lab strategy is called the strategy where you target only 3 states in Nigeria. All right, you target Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. It's called my lab strategy. Okay, why? Because we have small money, and with this small money, we want to make turnover in 2 weeks. All right. So, first one is run advert with 30K. Then you keep 20K for emergency. Are you seeing what 100K is doing for you? Now, product is selling at what? 15.5. I'm saying lots of things. So the first thing to do is to find a unique product. Okay, refer to my video, what to sell in 2020. There are lots of videos on products here. Okay, so find a unique item that before somebody sees it, they will sweat. Okay, now the unique items you can buy at 1,000 naira. So you buy 50 pieces. 50 pieces is 50K. Now with this 50K, 50 pieces, you now disburse them to Lagos, Abuja, and what? Port Harcourt alone. Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, that's number 3. Okay, now you keep 30K for advert. 30K for advert, now 20K for emergency. Now you're selling product at 15.5. Let's do the math. I have my calculator here. I did not forget it. Yeah, so let's go. 15.5 times 50. That's 775,000 naira. If your advert is moving well, on the first week of your advert, you can sell at least 50 pieces. 750,000 naira. If you remove product cost, 50,000 naira. If you remove what's it called, delivery cost, which may not be up to 200,000 because 50 pieces. I don't know what they're charging you for. Let's say we are costing delivery at 5,000 times 50. 5,000 times 50. Okay, let's say 4,000 per delivery. Some delivery are way cheap. Because of that, that cost you go up to 4,000. The deliveries are way cheap because you're not doing the nuts. That's 200,000 naira. You understand that now? So let's go. Now, these are the 4 things you can do with 100,000 naira to turn into 50,000 naira in 2 weeks. Now, let's go to the main business of the day. Now, product idea 1. A car. See, I'm giving you There you go. I'm giving you product to go and try sharp sharp. Okay, a car interior spray. Now, a car interior spray is an evergreen product. It's a car accessory that you spray on your car dashboard and use it to wipe off your car dashboard. And you can buy it as low as 800 naira, 700 naira. You understand? And can sell as high as 1,000 naira. I'm serious, 1,000 naira. Sorry, 15,500 naira. I'm telling you from experience. I'm telling you what I do. I'm not telling you what I don't do. So a car interior spray, go to GG and source for them. If you want to private label, you can private label your own so that you beat down competitors. But that will take a lot of money from you. Okay, so a car interior spray is a go-to product to start with now. Second one is product idea, a home improvement product. A home improvement product. Now, a home improvement product is a product that can add, enhance the value of where you live. You understand? Which product comes to mind? Okay, there's a product we saw last. We didn't sell. We saw it last time. We didn't sell it. The product used to cover couch. Now, your couch is like this. Means that your couch is thin. Instead of calling people to clean it and all that, or changing the couch, just use the product to cover the couch. I think the product was selling for 200 naira to cover your couch. Right, 4 pieces. I don't know what to selling for, but you can sell it for 15,500 naira. So that's a go-to product. Again, that's another go-to product. Right. So, our three product idea is a working Chinese health solution. Now you're sourcing from Nigeria. I'm serious. There are people on GG that sell Chinese health products. So look for a Chinese health product. Let me give you a quick idea. Bad breath. Breath is bad. Breath is bad. Bad breath product is a product that will work for you just fine. You understand? Just fine. So you want to get a bad breath product in Nigeria, get it for less than 1,000 naira. You can get the patch, you can get the patch, you can get the capsule, or you can get the powder. Okay, you can get the mouthwash too. You're not don't sell management products. Sell products, sell curative products. Don't sell management products. Product that will help you manage the situation. No, don't sell that one. Sell product that will cure the situation. If you cure it, that this situation is gone. If you cure it. All right. So these are the three product ideas that you can use to start working right away after watching this video. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of this video, but I want to chip in something. I want to chip in something in this strategy called LAP, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt. So in this strategy called Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, this is what you have to do. So you have to run two campaigns for testing, two campaigns. Now remember, money is small, so we're economizing. Two campaigns, put it at 3,000 naira each. One is zero targeting, one is still targeting. Now, I advise zero targeting for this kind of product because most of them are products that have mass appeal, products that appeal to a lot of people. So you want to do zero targeting, but test it. Now, at the beginning for 24 hours, after testing it, post the one that is less converting. Post the one that is less converting. Now, the one that is more converting, you then duplicate it and change it to 5,000 naira per what's it called, per 5,000 naira per day. I'm very sorry, my head is full. 5,000 naira per day. Now you will see how well it's going to convert. I'm being very serious. You see how beautiful it's going to convert. Now, if you do that, you'll be good. Now, to get product ideas, so to get videos to run this product, go and type the name of the product on YouTube and add commercial. Let's see if I can work around something. I want to work around something. So let's see. Work around something. Okay, so let me show you how to get product videos to run your product. So let's go like this. So yeah, so this is it. Now you're on YouTube. Let me refresh you. So YouTube, so you want to get product videos to run your adverts. Let it load, let it load, let it load, let it load. Load very fast. Okay, so let's go. So you come and type name of the product. So you come and type what is the first word I called? Car interior spray. Now this is one idea. I'll give you another idea how to get product videos I'll cover. Okay, let's use bad breath. Bad breath is bad breath. Bad breath. Let's say you have a particular brand of bad breath. Then add plus commercial. The name is there. You add it. So the main selling point is to add commercial to your search. Commercial. Get the product name. Add commercial. Okay, so you search for it. They will show you advert videos. So let's play something like this. Let's play this so you see. So you want to prepare all your marketing materials because you're not wasting time. You don't have money to waste. So put down all your marketing materials together. Let's play this. Watch this.
Good morning. When morning breath knocks the wind out of you, reach for fresh burst list.
So where they just put this product, you can just edit it, take it and this place. Where they just put this product picture, and just edit, cut out this part, put your own. Understand?
Out of you, reach for fresh burst Listerine.
Let's go again.
Also available in convenient pocket bags.
I've seen that.
Listerine, keep it close so you can keep your love.
So you can walk through. Don't know I'm yawning like this. I think I'm very tired. Very sorry about that. Let's go. I don't know if I can get on that video. This, let's see this one. So guys, you just edit them so you know that the videos will convert, right? Amazing video.
मैं दिन में 10 बार ब्रश करता हूँ.
This is also cool. So that's another way to get the video is when you get the seller on Gigi, tell them to actually help you get to actually send the product video. Most of them have the product video that is in marketing these things. You understand? Like they have the product video that is in marketing them, right? So when you get the seller on Gigi, tell them please that you share, kindly share the product video with you. Okay, if you are getting the product from AliExpress, all right. So when you get AliExpress, scroll down a little bit. Okay. Let's go. Let me not just give you examples from my head. Let's go to AliExpress. AliExpress.com. So let's go to AliExpress. Let me show you how to get videos from AliExpress. So let's go to bad breath. Bad breath. So let me load. I feel a lot of bad breath. Okay, 7 days, skinny. Okay. Let me pick this. I would say video on that. Okay, I can see a lot. Chinese mouth fresh now. Okay, so look at this. For this, so all these places, if you come to all these places, there may be videos here. There will be videos in all these places. So there's no video here. So let me check this. So there may be videos here. So you just come here and pick one of the videos. That's how to get there. Also, Gigi, tell your Gigi supplier or tell your Gigi seller to please kindly help you with a video. Okay, so you can use it to market your product. All right, guys. So that is how to go about getting a video to market your product. You understand that? So, and for the last strategy, don't forget test 2, 0, and detailed targeting. Not the one that converts must scale to 5,000 naira so you can run your ads for 6 days and cash out. If you don't want to do that, you can 2 days, 10,000 naira, 3 days, 10,000 naira so you can cash out immediately. Alright, guys, so that's it for the end of this video. If you learn anything in this video, did you catch anything very meaningful and inspirational? Please, I'd like you to drop a comment for me, like this video, and subscribe. Get people to watch this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. This is Vincent David here again, and I'm back on your faces before you know it. I'm back on your faces. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.